up, YouTube? We're gonna be doing a little POV driving today. Gonna be testing out the clutch. I've already driven it for 200 miles. I have another 300 or so to go in order to break it in. I don't have my GoPro, so it's gonna be a little difficult driving with one hand. I'm not too far from where we're going to go, so yeah, we're going to be going to my storage unit to get the wheels and get that summer vibe going on the car and see how it looks with the new color. So yeah. I'm holding the camera with one hand and driving with the other. Will be able to hear it, but the car does a little burble. I can't hear it right now, but I'll see if I can get one going. Open up the windows a little bit. But yeah, the clutch right now feels really good. The first couple of days I didn't have the clutch pedal adjusted properly, so I was stalling a lot. I noticed that the engagement was really off, but now once I corrected that, it feels really good. Feels just like OEM. Only difference that I do feel is the pedal. So the pedal does spring back a little bit quicker than what it used to, and I like that a lot. Response is way better. But yeah, I know you guys been wanting a lot of POV driving. This is with my phone. I upgraded my phone, so it has the fisheye camera, and I don't have my equipment. I don't have my GoPro, and I just decided to make this video really quick. Train. I know there's a few shows happening as well. I just gotta stay up to date with them. I haven't really been looking out for any. I do want to go to a few pop-up. What do they call those? Park up and meet, or the coffee, cars and coffees. You know, those little events I think are cool. I would like to go to maybe a few. If you guys have any in the East Coast area, let me know. I'll be down to, go with the car and see what's up. Oh, another thing too, I'm gonna show you guys when I get to the storage. Let me just show you guys right there in the back. I got the Mugen wing. I don't know if I should not leave it black, but paint it black, the OEM black that I had, not hard black pearl, or should I color match it? Let me know in the comments what you guys think would look better. I'll mock it up for you when I get over there, just so you guys could get a visual on how it might look with the color black and the color of the car. But yeah, just let me know, because I need some ideas, and yeah, I really appreciate that. got 2 of them out. I'm gonna do 2x2s because this being up here is not making it any easy. So I'm gonna just swap 2 out, bring the other stocks in. Another thing is they are filthy, so I'm definitely going to clean these and then slapping them on. So let's do that right now. Alright guys, so we're gonna get this quick rag, this, and then let me just put you guys on. This right here, this is the best thing. This thing cleans anything and everything. So much better now. So I'm gonna put these in the rear, take these back to the storage, bring out the other 2 for the front, clean them, same thing, and you're gonna see how the car is gonna look at the end. The paint's holding up really good, really good. I'm gonna buy some more cans in order to have some color match paint. I still have to do the trunk, the roof, and the hood, but still looks pretty good. I'll just have to see when I have some time to do that. Here we have the front wing. It was in my storage for a while. I'm gonna just show you guys how it would look if it's mounted and if it's black. What do you guys think? Should we do black or should we color match it? I feel like if it's black, it looks like, you know, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Should I leave it black or should I color match it? Looks really good though. Alright, let's get these wheels on. Set. I'm about to take them outside and clean them up. My hands are filthy. But yeah, let's take these outside and clean them up and then mount them. Alright, this one's clean. Now this one, these aren't too bad though. These aren't too bad. Alright guys, here we are. Everything checks out good. Car looks really good. Drives good. Just gotta get used to the static life, that low life again. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.